Hey Laura, have you ever been to any interesting local festivals in your town?
Hey, Ben. Yes, actually. In my town, we have a festival called the Lantern Festival every February.
Oh, that sounds beautiful. What's it about?
It marks the end of the Chinese New Year celebrations. People light lanterns and release them into the sky or float them on water. It's so magical.
Wow, I've seen pictures of that. Do people make their own lanterns?
Yes, some people buy them, but many families make their own. Kids love to decorate them with colors, messages, or wishes.
That's awesome. Is there food involved too?
Definitely. We eat tangyuan, which are sweet rice balls filled with things like sesame or red bean paste. They symbolize family togetherness.
Yum! I want to try that. In my town, we have a local festival called the Maple Syrup Festival every spring.
Oh, tell me about it. I've never heard of that.
It's a celebration of the maple syrup season. Families go to local farms to see how syrup is made, taste fresh syrup, and eat pancakes or waffles with lots of syrup on top.
That sounds delicious. Do they have other activities?
Yes! There are wagon rides, music, crafts, and sometimes even tree tapping demonstrations where you see how the sap is collected.
That's so cool. I love how local festivals bring people together.
Exactly. And they help keep traditions alive. Do you dress up for the Lantern Festival?
Some people wear red clothes or traditional outfits, but it's not required. It's more about the atmosphere, with lanterns and lights everywhere.
I'd love to see that one day. Maybe I can visit your town in February.
And maybe I can visit your town in the spring to taste real maple syrup.
Deal! We can exchange local festival experiences.
I love that idea. Festivals show so much about a place's culture and spirit.
Absolutely! It's not just about the events, it's about sharing joy with the community.